In the North Atlantic, a group of sperm whales are busy with daily work. In this top, all children are not just mothers. Take care of the children. That's how it is in the Atlantic. But that doesn't mean in other seas. They all live like that. This sperm whale in the Atlantic is so big. Their members may never meet each other. So do SAO to maintain their culture. It's one of the noisiest animals on the planet. It doesn't hurt. Their large heads contain organs. It's filled with a liquid called oil. Sperm whale and airbags. They help make it big. The sound was as fast as bullets. It can travel up to 60 kilometers in the water. These whales are communicating by continuing their cry into a series to form a conversation. That's their language. The whales in a Since humans have crossed the sea, whales have appeared in legends of knowledge of humanity. Today, as we discover more about them, I just realized they're more amazing than we ever imagined.